Welcome back to Cause 3D, and today we're going to build the Luke Skywalker floating lightsaber that I saw that the Galactic Armory had released recently, and I saw it and I thought, how cool would that be? And I thought, you know, I don't actually have a 3D printed Luke Skywalker saber in my collection. I've got quite a few metal ones, but I thought, why wouldn't I make this? The magnetic shoe display was about $100 by the time I got it shipped to me, unfortunately. So it's a little expensive, but it does glow. It has a light on it. I haven't plugged this one in yet. I just saw what the Galactic Armory had done. I decided that I was going to get the lightsaber printed. The first one I did was out of PLA Plus. And I have to say that once I got it printed, I had decided that that was going to be a lot more sanding than I wanted to put into this project. So I decided to resin print one on my resin printer. And I did it on my Mars 3, so it's an older printer, but it's still working. And it does 3D print in parts. I am going to get ready to paint this. And I'm going to be using a Spastics paint, but first I want to put down a flat black base for this and then follow it up with a gloss coat, because if you've watched any of my videos, you know how much I hate gloss black. So I'm not even going that route. So we're going to put a gloss coat on it, and then I am going to paint it with my Spastics Mirror Chrome, which I am super happy with that particular paint. I'll leave links in the description and everything else, but this should be a quick and easy build today. Some of the painting, once we get it painted chrome, is going to be a little bit difficult to go back and mask off for some of the black, but that's okay. You know, I always like a challenge. So I've got this already sanded and I'm ready to move over to the paint booth. And there it is. I've got the lightsaber done and assembled it. Now I did have to add weight to it. I grabbed some sockets from out of a drawer. I grabbed some bolts and some screws and some nuts and all kinds of stuff, because this has to be between 450 to 550 grams in order for it to float. So it's quite heavy. I put the weight into it and I sat here and messed with this thing for 15 minutes trying to get it to catch, and I couldn't get it to actually float. And then all of a sudden I did. So I'm not sure exactly what the trick is, but it does look really, really cool. And just sitting there spinning right now. I'm super happy with this build. This was a lot of fun. So I'm gonna take it out off camera and try to put it back in because of how much effort that took. And like I said, this now weighs between 450 to 550 grams. So it is quite heavy. And lo and behold, I don't know why all of a sudden it's now going in there so easy, but I messed with this thing for 15 minutes off camera. Finally got it. So I'm super excited. It's actually a cool build. I was a little skeptical when I was trying to put it in the first time, realizing that it wasn't going. I was like, I wasted my time doing this project, but it works. It's cool. And all of my sockets and screws and nuts that I put in my lightsaber are now gonna have to stay in there forever unless I can come up with another weight system. So anyway, thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and we'll see you in the next video, but make sure first hit that like and subscribe button and keep supporting us. Thank you.